everyone, welcome back. Today I thought I would work in my little art journal that I got from Lou's Artworks. I'll link her channel below. This is the one where we swapped journals, and it's so beautiful, all the work that she's got in here already. And I did work in it, all the different pages and the painting. I did do this page on here, and this page to go with it, so that's where I left off, I believe. But just a little flip through here of the pages. So there's lots of surfaces on here for me to add to it and work in lots of different paper things. I'm obsessed with these lovely skeleton leaves. Let me put those together so I don't lose them. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet, but I love them. So just kind of got all this in here, all the different papers and pages. It's absolutely gorgeous. And some fabric. This upholstery fabric is super cool. This was the very first journal she made in my artisanal journals bookmaking workshop. She took some of those workshops on Skillshare and is now making some of her own so that she can work in more journals, because the Dina Wakley one was discontinued, and she is where they are, they can't really get those anymore either. I know they've made a second smaller book available to us. I'm going to put these where I don't lose them. She sent these to me. But yeah, that book is, you know, going away for all of us. And they did do a little reprint of the smaller book, but that's not going to be around forever. So it's just a really amazing skill to go ahead and learn how to make some of your own if this is truly how you enjoy working in a book. And I'm inspired by this stencil that I had out for another video, and I'm gonna put some black stenciling and maybe some flowers on several pages because I love this stencil and the way that it turns out, and so I'm kind of feeling it. And I'm just using my ink blending brush as my stencil brush because I'm obsessed with it now. I saw it on the Stencil Girl YouTube channel. Mary Beth was showing different tools for stenciling and how to do better stenciling, and this is one of the tools that she tested, and now I'm just obsessed with using this tool instead of the little sponges. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Alright, so we got that started. I'm almost feeling like I want to do some stenciling in some other spots, but I need to let that dry. Okay, I think that's dry, but I might put a piece of wax paper here just in case. And maybe I'll do this stencil somewhere else just as a kind of as a, you know, running theme through the book, kind of take it through the book with me here. So where else do we want that? I love this leafy page. I love this feather. I don't know if I want the feather on that page. Let's put the feather with the leaves for a moment. Do you see a person? There's a person walking on the beach. That's what that looks like to me. Person walking on the beach. Okay, I'm kind of feeling it on this page. So I'm going to do it over here on this side because I feel it. Kind of be just a little running theme through there. And this is different paper, so it'll be kind of interesting to see if it works a little differently than the other paper. I love that she put so many interesting papers in here. I mean, she is so creative with her art journals. Her channel is my favorite channel for watching for art journal inspiration. She does such a beautiful job of telling stories in her books and about her life and her travels and the people that she loves, and it's just so inspiring. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, okay. Good choice. Alright, just in case I'll put this here. So I'm kind of thinking, like, what do I have on the back page back here? Like maybe maybe we want a little bit of that back here, kind of on this back area, like a finish off maybe. Let's see, what are these on here? Let's see. Just kind of looking. I kind of think this, okay, so I kind of think this flower with that, I like, okay, let's just do it. Commit. See, on a project like this, where you're almost afraid to mess it up, I'm afraid to mess it up. It helps if you wait until you have a very specific aha. Here's what I want to use, like with this stencil, a very specific aha. I want to add that to my book. Ooh, yeah, I like that. Okay. That has significantly helped me to come back to the journal and be like, okay, what else can I add to this? Let me throw that into some water and I'll dry this off. Okay, I love that. I'll set some white paper back there just in case I didn't dry it. And now I'm kind of feeling like, since I started looking a little bit on this book, maybe I will pull out some temper sticks, because I like that these dry fast. When you're working, I could do paint pens too, but I love that these dry fast. I love this. This is very much reminds me of Monet's water lilies, even though I know it's not a water lily thing. It just kind of reminds me of that, kind of that overall lovely abstract. So I love that. And then I'm just thinking, maybe I'll do paint pen. I'm kind of looking at it thinking I could add, I don't know, I do kind of like the temper stick. So I kind of want some large, or do I? I'm thinking back to this other page. Let's see. See, like these large, I love those large spots. Those really talk to me for some reason. I don't know why I love them. I love them. And I kind of feel like I want some of those, or do I want some of those? I'm kind of just thinking. And this is a very similar page here to this one too. Look at that. That might have been the other side of that. I'm sure, or she painted that there, but I do love this. Maybe I'll just do, I want them on there. We're going to do them. We're going to do them like this. just commit. Don't, just, it is what it is. Throw it down and just make yourself go. Ooh, I do love that. Okay, I'm good with that. That's what I wanted. I'm feeling better now. I committed. You might not like it, but I like it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. That's going to dry super fast. The tempers dry fast. Let's see. What else do I want to kind of add to today? Look at there. There's a face in there. That's rather lovely. Are we dry? Not yet. All right. Let's just set this right here until it does. Temper sticks dry fast though, so kind of want some of those over here. Ooh, I love this page. So I could do some mark making. I don't know. Kind of thinking and being like, oh no, what do I want to do? Those dry yet? Yeah, I think they're dry now. Okay. Okay, so I love that page. I'm good with that page. I'm gonna have to like, and I love this page, so I'm glad I did that one. I'm gonna have to think of these as I'm going though, and then when I'm inspired, I kind of want some of those over here. Okay. And then, you know, as you're working and you get inspired, then add to it. Like, you don't have to do everything at the exact same time. It's okay to, ooh, I do kind of like that. Do I like that? It's kind of like this color, but maybe a tad brighter. What do you think? Can we have a vote? Can we vote there? Always wanting you to vote. The temper sticks are kind of bright. Look at this one. For some reason, I love this kind of celadon kind of color. Ooh, maybe that one. Oh, all right, I'm feeling this one. Maybe it's this one. Oh yeah, it's this one. I love this one. Yeah, I just love this color for some reason. Okay, that's fun. I'm good with that. I like that. Maybe a little up here. Just an extra interest as you're looking at it. And this almost looks like a tree. Okay, I love that. Kind of feeling like over here that might be cool with some type of pattern on it. I mean, we could even like do patterns in that with some paint marker. That's kind of fun. Let's pull the paint markers up here. Ooh, I like these colors. See, I like those Thule Arts, but I think I'm going to pull these up here because I want to go with some of these. I like this color. Kind of having a little fun, just, you know, putting pattern in here and just making them just lovely with the extra little pattern. It's kind of fun to kind of mix the way that you paint and design versus, you know, somebody else that you traded with. It's cool to see like where they take your piece and if they cut things out or leave things in or add to what you've already got. Okay, now I'm loving these two pages right here. I feel like this right here is like we're on the farm and that's the fields and the different things planted in the fields. And here we are at the flower garden with the tree and we got some different mark makings, and I'm gonna pull that out because I think we're probably good now. I love this page. Okay, so now we got the front page and we got the back page. Okay, so I'm really loving this too. Don't think I'm gonna finish the back page today, but I do feel like the front page right here, I feel like that one's finished. And then there was another one in here that we did. Let's take another look at that. So we got that one already. Where did we go with what I added? Yeah, I think we're on the other side of that. Okay, ooh, right there. Whoa, I love this one too. Oh, I do feel like maybe we need one extra something. So maybe that's like little somethings. Maybe that's like this color right here. Like we could kind of, I don't know if that was wet or not, but we could just make that color give us some extra pattern here. Just cause it's fun. Ooh, I like that. It's random. It's colors I wouldn't normally use, but it's kind of fun to kind of take off from the color that is presented on the page that you're like, okay, what direction is that going to take me? Okay, I like that. Okay, I would say I do like this a lot. I don't know that I'm going to change that one at all, but I do think that's rather fun. So I'm happy with that page there. All right, and I'm like super happy with the front page. Oh my goodness, look how fun this is working out. All right, think I'm good for working on it today. I had a very defined idea of I wanted to add this stencil in and kind of start there as far as creating and moving into a couple pages of the book. And I like the front cover, the spread we did, and the back cover starting, so I feel like I've kind of worked that into some pages like I wanted. And I love that. So the next time I have a very defined idea of, ooh, let me add that into my Lou's artwork journal, then I will come back to this and see where we go next. So I hope you enjoyed painting with me a little bit today and seeing where I took these pages. It'd be interesting to see if you had any ideas on any of these other pages and where you would go. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. See you later.